Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a new app or any type of app. Let me just show you. You guys can see this CPKO is for CryptoPunko NFT. Check them out, very good NFT. Like, let me just show you that Twitter page. I'm going to show you later in the video, but let's just go. So how to create an application? Like, seriously, I can even create Discord. I can create any application I want. Not cloning. This is not cloning, guys, and stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to do it and become successful with it. But it's not just successful, I mean advertisements, right? Placing advertisement on the app, and if you like, you can publish it on Play Store, but just watch out and don't make scammers. Don't scam people. Do not scam people with the app. So let's dive into the video. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification button. That really helps a lot. And share this video to someone who needs it. So just go to appcreators24.com, create your account and continue. It's free, of course. Yeah, it's free stuff. So let me just show you app name. Let me just use OpenSea. Sorry, choose file and you go to your downloads. Anyway, you can store it. Just go there and check it out. Mine is going to be, I think, let me check my images, download. Yeah, it is. So this is just what I'm going to do. Put in the description. Okay, let's see a description that goes well with OpenSea. This is the largest NFT market place. So next, go to the next place. Black is better, although I use black for almost all my apps. So this is the so this is the place where you have to choose if it is a chat, a TV or video app. So that this TV or video app actually means you can create YouTube by yourself, but also have to look for the users. As you can see, blog app, reviews or tutorial. You can create anything even for your channel. I have one for my channel. I'm going to show you guys when I'm done with this. I'm going to leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. So web app, I'm going to use web app because we're using the website. As you can see, this is very simple. Just watch. Okay, so let's continue back. Okay, so you're gonna use OpenSea. Let me just move this up. OpenSea. Yeah, OpenSea. And the website, you all know the website, right? OpenSea.io. Next. Okay, http://www.opensea. Make sure the website is correct. Don't make any mistake at all. OpenSea.io. So let's go. App created. Wizard complete. In data, now go to app manager. Download your app or anything you want to do. So this is where you can, because this is downloading link here. App creator, app 2,038,082 app, 82nd app. So they have created more than 2 million apps on this platform, which is working. Although if you check out the app, you kind of see it's somehow but it's still better because it's free. So you can see you can change anything here. The office, product, ads. This is the most fantastic place that we all like, right? So you can enter if you have an AdMob ad in it. You can create an AdMob account, but the most easy one is start.io. But AdMob is paying more than all of them. AdMob is for Google. So just put your advertisement link ID here. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to put anything for now. As you can see, native art, different type of art, and you can make this application have chats, like chatting like Facebook. Let me just show you some name and icon. Normally, okay. So guys, just read through all this. This launch message is if anybody just open the app, you can the message that is going to pop up when the app starts. Yeah, pop-up message. Let me just see, what can I put there? Welcome to OpenSea. Save. So guys, if you want to join this CryptoPunko, this is CryptoPunko NFT owned by me, MB or CryptoMob. Yeah, so we own this CryptoPunko. If you want to join our team, make sure just message me on the through Gmail. I'm going to leave my Gmail in the description box below. Message me there and just state what you want to do and what you can do to develop this, so you can join this team. I'm going to chat up on WhatsApp. I'm going to give my WhatsApp number so you can chat with me there, and we'll talk about this, discuss here. So guys, thanks a lot.